For the bottom one, I have used yarn. The yarn weight 50 gram equal to 125 meters, and I've used with it a 2 millimeter hook. You will see that these flowers are slightly smaller than these ones. So for the top flower band, I've used yarn with a yarn weight of 50 gram equal to 169 meters, and with it I've used a 1,75 meter hook. I only had the pink and the purple in this yarn weight. For the white and the yellow, I've actually split yarns. I've used there a yarn weight that was 50 gram equal to 100 meter, and I have taken one strand away. For the flower, you start with a magic ring, and into this magic ring I need to put 3 chain stitches first, and now a treble. I use UK terminology. For United States it's a DC. Now I need to make 5 chain stitches, 3 trebles, and repeat this 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I go into the circle and make 3 trebles. 3 loops through 2 through 2. Here's 1, 2, 3. Now again still 5 chain stitches and 3 trebles. Now I need to repeat this 3 more times. Good, so I'm on the last repeat, 5 chain stitches and 3 trebles. Oops, what did I do here? And then we end off with 5 chain stitches and then just a, let me just take this to the back, a last treble. Just 1 treble at the end because it will form now 3 trebles with these 2. Now I can pull it tight first, and I will just check if there are now 6 of these loops, and you can see there are 6 that will form the 6 petals. Then you can slip stitch into the third of the 3 chain stitches here. I normally take 2 strands of the 3 strands of the chain stitch. Slip stitch in there. Now we're going to start to make the petals. We are going to pull this tight at the end, and then we can weave it in at the back. So I normally pull it tight that the circle there is quite small, and look how neat it is. Good, so let us carry on. Each petal will be done in exactly the same way. First a DC, so an SC for United States, then a half treble. Yarn over, go into the loop, yarn over, now you have 3 loops. Now you yarn over and pull through all 3. That is a half treble. For United States, half DC. Now I need to make 5 trebles. Then again a half treble, where I pull through all 3 loops, and then a DC. Then I slip stitch into the middle treble of the 3. So I go there under both loops, collect the yarn and pull through the work and also through the loop on your hook. And immediately you go into the next 5 chain loop. A DC first, then a half treble, then 5 trebles, then a half treble, and then a DC. Slip stitch into the next group of 3 trebles into the middle one, going under both loops, and now I will repeat this until the end. And finally you slip stitch into the middle one. Now we can cut the yarn. And now I can sew in the loose ends. Just see that you have all the strands through the eye of the needle. We're here with this one. So you go just there to the back.